Hey everyone, welcome to another day of 21 Days of Prayer. I'm so excited to spend a few minutes here with you, encouraging you to be open and real and raw and transparent with the Lord. If there's one thing I've learned in all my years of working with people, and in fact of being a person for all these years, is that it's very easy for us to sometimes get caught up in being very formal, being very distant sometimes from God in our prayer life, and just coming to Him and feeling like we're checking a box off the list, coming to Him and feeling like there's a right way and a wrong way to approach Him. And I just want to encourage you with Psalm 139 this morning. Psalm 139, in that psalm, it tells us that God knows us. He knit us in our mother's womb. He knows the intricate parts of our lives even before we knew Him. So therefore, He already knows everything about you. And the beautiful part of that verse, or that scripture, is at the end of Psalm 139, it says, "Search my heart, O God, know me, test my ways, find anything impure and unclean about me." And I love that because that's my encouragement to you today. Push through the tendency to be formal, the tendency to approach God from anything other than a relationship as His son, as His daughter. And I just want to encourage you to be raw, real, and transparent with Him today. Pour your heart out to Him. Let Him know what you're frustrated about. Let Him know what you need in your life, because He already knows it. And when you get real and raw and vulnerable with the Lord, He will always meet you there. He'll give you hope. He'll give you encouragement. And you'll see Him do some incredible things over these 21 days of prayer that only He can get the credit for. I hope that encourages you to lean in to the Lord's presence today. We love you, and we'll see you soon.